Yes, right now I am working in HSR layout road, not HSR layout road. Yeah, HSR layout is a the city, is a part of the Bangalore area. And see, this is a view of rainy season, and this is a you know garden area, and this is the view. The view was the view is very good, very nice, very cool, and little bit is you know rain. Yeah, so I am very happy to walk this road. See, good, good. So yeah, so see, first of all, I was thinking to just go to the outside and find out the car driving school, but I did not find it. So that's why I am walking the street and so yeah. So see, rain is coming. So maybe I want to go fast because if I you know sweat, right, अगर भीग जाऊंगा तो my health is not good. This photo, and yeah, I will show you one more time. Very nice, so good. So some of the people is park the car and enjoy the rain and enjoy the city. So okay, rain is coming fast, so I want to walk fast and go to the office. So yeah, that's great. So I stop my camera. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Be happy. Be calm. This is for memory. This is my memory video. And I say this, and after 20 years, 30 years, 40 years back, I watch this video again. And this is the weather. So bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.